was a reality check for the Reggae Boyz last night, losing to Guatemala for the first time in almost a decade and a half. Coming down from the high of flogging the same Guatemala days ago, and a soup draw in the final round of World Cup qualifiers, only to now run up into a fully changed and a fully charged Guatemala, who were tired of the football abuse by Jamaica. We were out-hustled, outplayed, outsmarted, and out-coached as we get with it smash out. And Guatemala ran off with a valuable 3 points. If that is not a reality check, then nothing is. And it leaves our Gold Cup survival hanging on a thin thread. We have to now beat Guadeloupe, and guess who? Panama, to get to the next round. Of course, this is the Gold Cup and not the World Cup qualifiers. We won't see teams like Guatemala and Panama in the qualifiers, but still, after that high, this beat just dropped me back so.